Hey guys, hope so you all are fine, doing great. And today in this video we take a look on how you can be able to install the Chrome browser on your laptop PC in a Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in order to install, you need to first click on Microsoft Edge browser, the default browser when you first time set up your window. So just click on it, and here in the search bar you have to just type the Chrome download. When you type that and press enter. After you see download now option button, just click on it. A new tab will appear, and here you have to just load for it. Here you have to just click on that. Okay, so just click on it to download Chrome. So now if your downloading will not start automatically, so then you have to download manually. So in order to download manually, it basically depends on the internet connection, how fast your internet connection is. If your internet connection is fast, then it will start automatically when you first time press on download Chrome. And if downloading will not start automatically, you have to just type on download Chrome manually. So just click on it. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, here you see our setup is installed. So click on the folder icon. Just double click on it in order to install. First, it check the internet connection. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Once you download the first setup, then it will download the Chrome browser, and after that it will install. Okay, this take just a few seconds, not too large setup, so just wait for it. Now you see our downloading is complete. Now wait for it to automatically installing. So it will installing. This take a few seconds, and after that make sure watch the video till the end. We will set up this how you can easily use Chrome. We take a look. Just wait for it. Now here our setup is installed, and you see it will automatically pop up. Okay, minimize it. And if you already have an Chrome account, Gmail account, just go with that option already user, and if you are new, just click on get started option. Okay, I'm just click on get started, and for right now I'm click on skip now, and skip all the. Okay, okay, here again asking for already have an account, continue it, and if you do not want and continue as a guest, just click on more thanks, and here scroll down and got it, and here we have our Chrome installed. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure to subscribe. This is for that video.